Have y'all checked out this Genesis G90? It's crazy inside. Look at that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you the lowdown on newer vehicles. Okay, this isn't 1999 or anything like that. This is the new age. You guys like technology in your vehicles, like the rain sensor right there, lane departure camera right there, heads up display. Those things cost money. So when you call us with, I'm gonna say anything newer than 2014, where some of these convenience features are very common, these jobs exceed $1,000 easily. And not only that, it's recommended that you get the OEM glass for it because of that camera right there. Rain sensor won't matter, but that camera, if anything goes wrong with it, the dealer's gonna blame the glass if they don't see the manufacturer label. We usually have people get their insurance involved on this because of the cost. The easy way to tell is on your comprehensive side, what's your deductible? If you have one of these newer cars, you really wanna get some coverage that suits you. Because like I said, these jobs will exceed $1,000. And nobody really budgets for glass. It's just one of those things. You don't say eggs, milk, glass. No, that's not the way it works. Windshields, you never know when yours is gonna get broken. We all get our turn. Nobody's exempt. But if you have one of these newer cars, be prepared to use your insurance. Don't call a bunch of places trying to get the cheapest price you can, because these features, they affect the cost, and your price is going to be very high. I'm just putting it out there. This is, it's the harsh reality of vehicles that do things for you nowadays. This thing has adaptive cruise. This thing is like fully loaded. So just letting you guys know, get insurance coverage that's actually going to suit your needs if your windshield gets broken.